Yuke nginyagia kũrĩa iharo-inĩ nakuo tũgĩikia kabirũ ũrĩa maũndũ marakĩgariũra, na nĩ atĩ thutha wa timu ya Harambee Stars gũkorwo makĩhotwo nĩ timu kuma bũrũri wa Gabon na bao 2-1 kiumia kĩhĩtũku, mũthĩ wa ira nĩ maragĩkorirwo makĩganithia na kũrĩa marakorirwo makĩhota timu ya bũrũri wa Seychelles na bao 5-0. Bao cia Harambee Stars ikĩbungwo nĩ athaki Michael Olunga, mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Masoud, oro ũndũ ũmwe na Rooney, Nake, nayo bao ya gatano ĩragĩbungwo nĩ Benson Omala dakika-inĩ ya 73.
In this situation we was leading very clear, and therefore it was time also to give these boys their chance. Benson worked well and Nabi worked well, and therefore I decided not to play with experienced players in the last minutes, more with the young ones like we always do. So therefore it's, like I said, we are a team. Nobody can expect to play all the time. Nobody should think that he has no chance. If somebody is in our team, he should be always ready to play. These two matches home against Bururi and Cote Kena's put in a very good position. And I think also now everybody realized this is a different Kenya, Kenya who is ready to compete, who is hungry and who is not happy with any lose or whatever. So we are still a team which is learning. I'm happy now today also again some young players scored. Again we have a debutant, so it makes everything in the team better for us because of rivalry. And you saw also in this time when everybody was thinking who will be the next central defender, we lost 3. You see, then we put out Dennis and he has done a quite well job. So we have, I think, a good family now which will be ready for all the tournament. And like I said also before, to make it clear, this team will have this prime at the AFCON in Kenya. And then this team will show all Africa who we are. So now we do our best to make a miracle, but later on it will be nothing like a miracle. Then everybody can expect from us also things which was never done before in Kenya.
Na riboti ĩyo ĩgiĩ imwana cia engine